Focus. Give me some shell. I gotcha.
Life, I trained to become a guardian of the Dragon Gem. But this world has changed. And its people are divided. Now, to restore peace, I must find the last dragon. My name is Raya.
You're getting a little too big for this, bud.
Let's get ready to rumble! Are you ready? This is the main event. Let's get ready to rumble!
He's coming. Whoa!
Come get some of this. Hey, who wants a selfie?
Tentacular! I've got your whole life story tattooed on my body!
Yeah.
In a long history of monster wrestling, there has never been a champion quite like Tentacular. Fans around the world are asking, is there a challenger out there with the hunger, the drive, the discipline to become the next champion?
What?
All right, I think that's enough for today.
Steve might not look like much, but there is a champion monster inside of him.
Did he eat one?
Thank you. That felt great.
We seriously need to work on strength and endurance. Fortunately, I know just the thing.
What? Yeah, that's gonna be a hard no for me.
Oh! Do it again! And again! Again! That's it! You got it! Oh, boy.
This is my nightmare.
Hey, baby.
Falcon Main, this is Bravo Team. Do you copy? Storm incoming. Send immediate support.
Captain.
What'd you find?
It's definitely Bravo Team, but the tracks end here.
They can't just disappear.
Where the hell did that come from?
Back in the vehicle! It's gaining on us!
What the hell just happened?
Osnat 6!
Holy.
How did we get here? Stop! We are not your enemy. We're soldiers.
Give me a hand!
But we need weapons. Gotta tell me about that. What happened to your family? If we can get into their world, we can get into ours.
My God.
We gotta get home. You with me?
We are leading the way in the greatest human advancement of all time. He's unlike anything we've seen before. And he's entirely in our control.
Commencing memory fabrication.
And initiate sequence?
What happened?
You got yourself killed. You have been given a second chance.
I've developed an army of soldiers like yourself.
Improved, enhanced.
Welcome to the circus.
The technology in your veins will make you faster, stronger, and heal you instantly.
Something doesn't feel right.
They've been manipulating you.
Set the next target for elimination. You are my weapon.
You made me, but you can't control me forever.
They'll come for you.
I'm looking forward to it.
You can't get in, Kenny.
No chance.
Oh, man.
Shit.
The past isn't dead.
James, fate draws us back together. Now your enemy is my enemy.
His name is Sefin.
And what does he want?
Revenge. Me.
When her secret finds its way out, it'll be the death of you.
You can imagine why I've come back to play.
There's a young lady in Santiago I want you to meet.
You're late.
When you're ready.
Salute. I met your new 00. She's a disarming young woman.
I get why you shot him.
Yeah, well, everyone tries at least once.
James Bond.
We both eradicate people to make the world a better place. I just want to be a little tidier.
Come on, Bond. Where the hell are you?
You ever flown one of these?
Nope.
Harder to tell the good from bad, villains from heroes these days.
What is it?
You don't know what this is. He's going to kill millions.
If we don't do this, there will be nothing left to save.
There's something happening to me. There's something awakening in my mind. I can't control it. What did you see? There's a crusade coming.
Do you often dream things that happen just as you dreamed them?
Yes.
The test is simple. Remove your hand from the box, and you die.
What's in the box?
Pain. You inherit too much power. You have proven you can rule yourself. Now you must learn to rule others. Something none of your ancestors learned.
My father rules an entire planet.
He's losing it.
He's getting a richer one.
He'll lose that one too. Arrakis is a death trap.
Kill him. This is an extermination. They're picking my family off one by one.
Let's fight like demons.
An animal caught in a trap will gnaw off its own leg to escape. What will you do?
I know you.
One day, the legend will be born. All of civilization depends on it.
The future. I can see it. I must not fear. Fear is the mind killer.
My Lord Duke.
Where the fear is gone, only I will remain.
Go, go, go!
Your secret friend.
Underneath the bridge,
Who?
Topper sprung a leak, and the animals I've trapped
Haven't a clue.
all become my pet.
Let's play a game. Just me and you. Any of this mean anything to you?
You're becoming quite a celebrity. Why is he writing to you? If you are justice, please do not lie. What is the price for your blind eye?
The hell are you supposed to be?
I'm vengeance.
Whoa! This guy's crazy!
You're part of this too. How am I part of it? You'll see.